Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop in a Chinese-speaking country. You step up to the counter, the staff looks at you, and they ask a simple question in Chinese. And suddenly, you freeze. You actually know some Chinese, you've learned vocabulary and studied grammar, but when a real conversation happens in an everyday place like a cafe, it can suddenly feel much harder than expected. What do you say? How do you order your drink? And how do you pay in Chinese? In this video, we're going to look at the phrases people actually use in a coffee shop and the situations where they appear. By the end, you'll feel more prepared and know how to order a drink, customize it, and answer common questions in Chinese. So let's get started. Let's start with the first moment of the conversation. You walk up to the counter, the staff smiles at you, and they greet you. In many coffee shops, you might hear something like this. 您好，欢迎光临。请问要点什么? It means, hello, welcome, what would you like to order? This is a very common way for staff to greet customers. 您好 is a polite way to say hello. 欢迎光临 literally means welcome, and you'll hear it very often in shops and restaurants. Then they will ask, 请问要点什么? Here, 请问 is a very useful phrase that means, may I ask, or excuse me. It's a polite way to begin a question. 要 means want or would like, and 点 means to order, especially when you're ordering food or drinks. Finally, 什么 means what. Now it's your turn to respond. A simple and natural answer could be this. 你好，我想要一杯拿铁. This sentence translates as, hello, I'd like a latte. 你好 means hello. 我想要 means I would like or I want. It's a very useful phrase when you're ordering something. Then we have 一杯, which means 1 cup. 杯 is a measure word used for drinks. And finally, 拿铁 means latte. So the core pattern here is very simple. 我想要一杯, which means I'd like a cup of. After that, you can add the name of any drink you want. For example, if you want tea, you could say 我想要一杯茶. If you prefer juice, you could say 我想要一杯果汁. Once you know this structure, it becomes very easy to order different drinks in Chinese. In many coffee shops, the staff will want to know whether you prefer your drink iced or hot. So after you place your order, you might hear them ask something like this. 要冰的还是热的? It means iced or hot. This is a very short question, but it's extremely common. Let's take a closer look at it. 冰的 means iced or cold, and 热的 means hot. The word 还是 is very important here because it is used to present two choices. It works like saying or when someone is asking you to choose between two options. You could answer these in a very simple way. For example, you could say 冰的谢谢, which means iced please. In real conversations, answers are often very short like this. The staff may also want to know how sweet you would like your drink to be. This happens very often in Chinese-speaking cafes and tea shops, especially if you are ordering coffee, milk tea, or other sweet drinks. So they might ask you, 甜度要多少? That means, how sweet would you like it? 甜度 means sweetness level. 甜 is sweet, and 度 refers to the level or degree of something. And 多少 means how much. So the question is simply asking how much sweetness you would like in your drink. You can answer with the sweetness level you prefer. For example, you could say 半糖就好, which means half sugar is fine. Here, 半糖 means half sugar. 半 means half, and 糖 means sugar. The phrase 就好 is very commonly used in Chinese to mean that's fine or that's enough. In many cafes and drink shops, there are usually 4 common sweetness levels that people can choose from, although some places may offer a few more options. 全糖 means full sugar. 半糖 means half sugar. 少糖 means less sugar. And 无糖 means no sugar. Once you know these words, it becomes much easier to order drink in Chinese-speaking places because this question about sweetness comes up very often in real life. The staff will usually ask one more practical question about your order. They need to know whether you're planning to drink it in the cafe or take it with you. So you might hear something like this. 内用还是外带? This sentence means for here or to go. Let's break it down. 内用 means for here, which means you will drink or eat inside the cafe. 外带 means to go, meaning you will take the drink with you. And again, you hear the word 还是 in the middle. As we saw earlier, 还是 is used when someone is asking you to choose between two options, similar to saying or in English. Now you can answer depending on what you prefer. For example, if you plan to stay and drink your coffee there, you could say 内用我想在这里坐一下. This means for here. I'd like to sit here for a while. Here, 我想 means I would like. 在这里 means here, and 坐一下 literally means sit for a moment. In everyday Chinese, 坐一下 often just suggests sitting for a short time or relaxing there for a bit. This makes the sentence sound natural and friendly in a cafe situation. Now let's think about what else the staff might ask at the counter. Before moving on to payment, they will often check whether you'd like to order anything else. So at this point, you might hear something like this. 还需要别的吗? That means, do you need anything else? 还 means still or also. 需要 means need. 别的 means other or something else. So when you put it all together, this question is simply asking whether you would like anything else to add to your order. If you don't want anything more, you can answer in a very natural and polite way. 不用了，谢谢. It means, no, that's all, thank you. Here, 不用 means no need or that's not necessary. And of course, 谢谢 means thank you. This short response is something you'll hear very often in everyday situations, not only in cafes, but also in many other places when someone asks if you need anything else. When the order is finished, you need to pay for your drink. The staff will look at the register, calculate the total, and tell you the price. Then they will usually ask how you would like to pay. So at this point, they might say something like this. 一共30元. 请问要刷卡还是付现? That means the total is 30 yuan. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Let's break it down. 一共 means in total. Yuan is the word for yuan, and it's commonly used when talking about prices. 刷卡 literally means swipe card, which refers to paying by card. And 付现 means paying with cash. And then you can answer depending on how you want to pay. For example, if you want to pay with cash, you could say 我用现金. This sentence means I'll pay with cash. Here, 用 means use, and 现金 means cash. This is a very simple and natural way to tell the staff how you would like to pay. After your order is complete, the conversation usually doesn't end immediately. The staff will often let you know that your drink is being prepared and ask you to wait for a moment. In this situation, they might say, 请稍等一下，你的咖啡马上就好. This means, please wait a moment, your coffee will be ready soon. 稍等一下 means wait a moment. You'll hear this phrase very often in shops, restaurants, and service situations. Then the staff says 你的咖啡, which means your coffee. 马上 means right away or very soon. And 就好 suggests that something will be ready or finished shortly. You can respond in a simple and polite way. 好的，谢谢, which means okay, thank you. Here, 好的 means okay or alright, and 谢谢 means thank you. This short exchange is a very natural way to end the conversation in a cafe. Alright, so now you've seen the phrases people actually use in a coffee shop, and we looked at the situations where they appear. So the next time you walk into a coffee shop, you don't freeze, you already know what to say. You know how to order your drink, how to answer questions like iced or hot, how to choose the sweetness level, and how to say whether it's for here or to go. Now you can go back and practice these phrases out loud a few times. You can even imagine that you are standing in a coffee shop, looking at the menu and ordering your drink in Chinese. Practicing out loud helps the sentences feel much more natural when the real situation happens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps this channel grow and allows me to keep creating more practical Chinese videos for you. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. 我们下次见. Bye bye.